Guys, in the last topic, I told you how the Britishers came to the India and how they ruled our country, how long they ruled our country. Now we'll see the charters and acts which made by them. Some of the important charters are the Regulating Act 1773, Pitt's India Act 1783-84, Charter Act of 1813, Charter Act 1833, Charter Act 1853, the Government of India Act 1858, Indian Councils Act 1861, Indian Councils Act 1892, Council Act 1909, the Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, Independence Act 1947. Now we'll see about the Regulating Act, which was the first step taken by the British government to control and regulate the company's affairs. See over here, Regulating Act. This is the first step, the Regulating Act. This is the first step taken by the British government to control the affairs of the East India Company. Next, the British government first time recognized companies' functions in that is political and administrative. I can say you that the Regulating Act 1773. It is the first step of Indian British government to control the company's affairs. Later, the British government first time recognized the companies of functions into two types. One is political and administration. It is the first step of the central administration. Later, the very important point is the governor of Bengal. Before 1773, there was a position which was called Governor of Bengal to the province. Later, as per this act, this Governor of Bengal became Governor General of Bengal. The first Governor General of Bengal is Warren Hastings. Later, it created an executive council to work under the Governor General of Bengal, which consists 4 members. And this act directed the provisional governors to work as a subordinates of the Governor General of Bengal. And as I told you, it is the first step taken by the British government to regulate the company affairs, right? So, to control the company affairs, the British government created a body which called the Court of Directors. It gives report to the British government on company affairs. Later, it formed a Supreme Court. It forms a Supreme Court at Calcutta. It consists 1 Chief Justice and 3 judges. This is all about the Regulating Act 1773.